Listen up, banks are failing you. They've been the gatekeepers of money for centuries, but every day they slow you down, charge you stupid fees, control your access, and throttle innovation. You felt it, the delays, the approvals that never come, the paperwork that seems endless, the opaque systems that nobody really understands but everyone depends on. It's infuriating, right? And worse, it's not just inconvenience. It's power locked away from you, your deals, your freedom. This isn't just about money, it's about control. Banks, as we know them, are middlemen that profit off your inefficiencies and keep you tied to outdated rules and tech. Every moment you wait, every percentage they skim, they're robbing your future. But here's the raw truth that most won't say out loud. The old system is broken. Not just cracked, shattered, and the chance to fix it. It's not in asking nicely for change or hoping regulators catch up. The answer comes from one simple switch: decentralized finance, DeFi. This thing isn't just a new gadget or a trend. DeFi is a wholesale dismantling of the middleman, the banks, big finance as we've known it. It's code, it's protocols, it's open, no gatekeepers, no approval queues, no hidden terms designed to screw you over. It puts the power back where it belongs, in your hands. But hear this, don't jump in blindly. Real winners will be those who don't just chase the hype, but master this space strategically. Step 1. Stop thinking about banks as the end of finance. They're the old guard on their last legs. Start thinking of money as programmable, as something you can move, grow, and protect automatically with tools that don't sleep or delay or discriminate. Get comfortable with smart contracts. These aren't buzzwords, they're the future. They'll execute your deals exactly as you want, no surprises, no middlemen. Step 2. Build your networks inside DeFi. Don't just throw cash into the latest token hoping for gains. Instead, identify real projects with real utility, real developers who actually build. Connect with founders who live in this space and understand these systems deeply. Your capital won't just be fuel, it'll be influence and power. You have to be part of the network that sets the rules, not the herd scrambling after the next pump. Step 3. Embrace risk, but calculated risk. DeFi is wild, it's new, and it's complex. You'll see scams, hacks, illusions. But this is true in every big innovation. You want to win? Learn to separate the garbage from the genuine. Educate yourself on the protocols you back. If you can't understand what controls your money's flow, step back, get clarity, or stay out. No excuses. Step 4. Understand that decentralization means no single point of failure and no single boss. This isn't chaos. It's distributed control, transparency, and accountability built into software you can audit. If you want to beat banks, get rid of their siloed power. Become a founder or investor who leverages this flow to create systems that are fairer, faster, and smarter at scale. This isn't about trusting a new company, it's about trusting an open system where the rules and code can't be rigged easily. If you get this, you get the future of capitalism. Not the old centralized model that stifles you, but a new system where capital flows freely, controlled by no one and everyone at once. So here's the brutal advice. Don't wait for banks to fall or regulators to approve. Build your position now. Dive into protocols. Build your own financial infrastructure layer on top of them. Experiment with liquidity pools, staking, decentralized lending. Be the one who doesn't just talk about disruption, but uses it to outsmart the old system. What's the cost of waiting? More delays, more fees, more control lost. The biggest risk is standing still, hoping things just fix themselves. That won't happen. The system isn't broken by accident, it's designed to protect itself. You need to outplay it. If you want this world to look different, it needs you to act different. Use capital to not just make profits, but to build systems that are dynamic, fair, and global. Don't settle for scraps handed by those who never wanted you to have more power. This is your shot. Decentralized finance is real, it's tactical, and it can replace traditional banks. But only if you take it seriously, learn the rules, control your risks, and don't bow down to old money's slow ways. Get in now, because the future isn't waiting, and neither should you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.